Let's talk about product matching. Product matching is the step you take after you have all of your competitors' products. On the page, you will have your products on the left, and on the right, you will have your competitors' products. In the Mega Pack, you can also see these images and use the reference to match. In the demo mode, you are only allowed to match 10 products. The products have been color-coded to help visually identify which products are closer to your product. Gray products are unrelated to the product. They're sorted in alphabetical order. Blue products are products that PricesTracker found as related to your product. They're ordered by their proximity. The more they are similar to your product, the higher they are on the list. Green products are products you have matched to your product. You can match a product by clicking on it. You can click here to only get the list of matched products. Once you match a product, you can go into competitors' prices, search for the product name or the reference, and we can see here the product that we associated. If we want to further check out the product, we can click the arrow here and go directly to the competitor's product page. We can do a more detailed analysis that way. We only compare your product's prices with green matched products. We do not compare prices with blue similar products. PricesTracker only relates your products at the end of the crawling. If the crawling was stopped midway, this part will not be done. Alternatively, you also have the possibility of only doing this part by selecting the option in the analysis part. You can match multiple products to your product. This may be done because the competitor may sell the same product with variations. For example, one blue and one red. You can restrict the products by category. You can filter out to look at only some of the competitors. You can filter by manufacturer. You can search by name or reference. And you can filter by favorites. Additionally, you can filter for certain products here to quickly get related products. For example, we can search for X70. We can also search for products that are close in price to our current price. We can mix the two together, so we can search products that have X70 in their name and are close in price. To add favorites, you need to go to competitors' prices, click the star here, and add a product to a list of favorites. Here, for example, we can choose Adamus, click OK, and it will be added to this list of favorites. To add a new list of favorites, go here in the Favorites tab, click Add a Favorite, you can give it a name, and click Submit. Now, we can filter for just the products in a certain favorites list. For example, we can choose to filter out to only the products in the Canon list. Available only in the Mega Pack, proximities allow us to automatically match products. When PricesTracker finds similar products, it calculates a proximity score based on the textual similarities. We can see the score it gave for each product by clicking this down here, Display Proximity. Let's give an example. Say that after a while, we realize that products above a score of 700 are really similar. This can be automated by writing 700 here and clicking Submit. Don't worry if you've made a mistake. This rule hasn't been applied yet. To apply the rule, you have to click these links over here. The difference between these two methods of execution is that this one adds to the pre-existing matched products, while this one wipes the previously matched products before matching the products anew. Speaking of wiping, if you want to wipe all matched products, you can click this here. If you want to wipe only the automatically matched products, keeping the ones that you did manually and thus know are good, click this lower one here. These rules can be narrowly defined. You can apply this rule to only a specific category, a specific favorites list, and only with specific competitors. You can also set a maximum amount of products to be associated with your products, and a maximum amount of products that their products can be associated with. For example, putting 3 here means that this product can only be associated to 3 products on this side at most. A 1 here means that a product like this one can only be associated to 1 of your products here. For example, once this product here has been matched with this product, it can never be associated again. We went over the proximity score, and this one is to not associate after a certain amount of suggestion. So a 3 here means that in this list, only these 3 are eligible to be matched. The ones after are not. Finally, this check mark here is whether or not to skip matched products. So this one already has a matched product. So if this is checked, then the rule will skip it, with the implicit understanding that if a product has been matched, then the matching work has already been done, and we don't want to ruin our hard work. Something that should be noticed is that it will be useful to do different rules for different competitors, as the proximity scores, which are used a lot for the rules, vary by competitor. Another thing to notice is that if the crawler found the exact same reference, then the proximity score will be noticeably higher compared to the other products. However, a higher score does not immediately mean a perfect match.